Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Hunter TK4 Metal Detector. This detector comes with maximized depth of detection with the power sensitivity control. Quickly switch between discrimination, all metal and tone modes with a flick of the mode toggle. The Tracker 4 will detect all kinds of metal from iron relics, coins and household items to precious metals like silver and gold. The 8-inch search coil is completely submersible, can be used for detecting in shallow water. Recommended for coin and jewelry hunting, relic hunting, prospecting and utility applications. Renowned discrimination circuitry, easy-to-use technology and proven treasure performance has made the Tracker 4 the choice for many treasure hunters. Our second best metal detectors for coins is Fisher F22 Weatherproof Metal Detector. The F22 is a fully weatherproof, easy-to-use turn-on and go metal detector. This F22 can handle almost any environment. It has superfast retune speed with excellent target separation and easy-to-use discrimination, sensitivity, notch and pinpoint features. Phaeton adjustable iron audio allows you to set the volume of ferrous targets lower than the volume of non-ferrous targets for increased clarity on desirable targets. Easily identify buried targets with the 9-segment target categories and a 0 to 99 numeric target ID enhanced with 4-tone audio ID system. Custom made to allow users to set their own tones. Go ahead, get it wet. For details, let's watch more.
The F22 Metal Detector from Fisher Research Labs, leading innovators in metal detection technology since 1931. The F22 is a weatherproof, rugged outdoor product built to withstand the elements. The F22 separates trash from treasure by utilizing innovative target discrimination and ID technologies. When metal objects are detected, the detector will simultaneously emit one of 4 tones, illuminate one of 9 target ID category icons, and a 2-digit target ID number will appear on the screen. Possible target ID numbers range from 1 to 99. This number, tone, and category icon represents the electrical conductivity of the target and can be used to determine the probable ID of the buried target. FE tone, adjustable iron audio control, allows the user to set iron audio levels, making it easy to hear the treasure over trash. This, coupled with the F22's unparalleled quick recovery speed, allow this unit to further single out treasure in and amongst the trash. Fisher's exclusive, deep-reaching 9-inch triangulated concentric elliptical waterproof search coil penetrates deep underground, easily detecting coin-sized targets at 9+ inches and larger targets at much greater depths. Powerful and versatile enough for the veteran with a customizable hunt mode and adjustable settings, yet simple enough for the novice with easy-to-use turn-on-and-go treasure hunting modes. The F22 is proudly made in the USA and has an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Fisher F22, built Fisher tough.
I've been using Fisher for 40 years and they've never let me down.
Third choice in our list is Garrett Ace 400 Metal Detector. The Ace 400 includes a higher, 10 kHz frequency to provide better sensitivity to low and medium conductivity targets, such as gold and lead. It will ship with 3 free accessories like DD Search Coil Cover, Volume Control Clear Sound Easy Stow headphones and a new Ace environmental cover-up to protect the control box from rain, dust, and mud. The detector's frequency adjust feature allows users to easily toggle between slight frequency shifts to help eliminate interference from other detectors or power sources. The Ace 400 ships with an 8.5x11DD configuration performance search coil that has proven to be very popular with the company's previous Ace 350 and Euro Ace detectors. The Ace 400 includes 5 discrimination modes: electronic pinpointing, sensitivity adjustment, and high-resolution iron discrimination. Number 4 in our side is Garrett 11409000 Waterproof Metal Detector. The Pro Pointer, it provides all-terrain versatility for locating and pinpointing metallic targets. It is environmentally protected from the elements and is fully submersible to a maximum depth of 10 feet or 3 meters. Fully waterproof to 10 feet with orange color for added visibility underwater. Maximum sensitivity for improved detection of nuggets and other small targets. Choose from 3 sensitivity levels. Quick button press instantly tunes out environment or narrows detection field for precise pinpointing of larger targets. Shrink detection field to precisely pinpoint large targets. Tune out mineralized ground, wet beach sand, etc. Last in our top 5 best metal detectors list is Garrett Ace 300 Metal Detector. The deluxe Garrett Ace 300 Metal Detector comes complete with a submersible search coil, plus 3 freebie accessories, like Ace Environmental Cover-Up, Search Coil Cover, and Easy Stow headphones. This metal detector is designed for advanced users. This metal detector is ideal for advanced users detecting coins, jewelry. It has 5 search modes. 8 sensitivity, depth adjustments. It also has coin depth indicator, digital target ID. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.